NOAA's National Centers for Environmental Information, called NCEI, has developed a new mapping tool for county-level hazard information in the mapping section of the U.S. billion-dollar Weather and Climate Disasters website. This new tool indicates a county's historic and future risk for, and vulnerability to, 7 climate and weather hazards captured in NOAA's billion-dollar disasters data. This demonstration will show you how to navigate this new tool and interpret the data. This mapping tool offers interactive disaster buttons from which you can map 127 different combinations of U.S. county hazard maps. For example, if you select drought, flooding, and wildfire, you see the southwestern U.S. is a hotspot for the highest risk for these combined hazards. Or you can just select one of the hazards. For example, you can see that severe storm risk is highest across the central and eastern parts of the United States. Another example is tropical cyclone risk, for which you can see is most concentrated along the Gulf Coast states and the Carolinas, but this risk also extends well inland. This mapping tool also offers a slider tool so you can compare and transition between 2 different map selections. For example, use the slider to see which counties have a higher or lower socioeconomic vulnerability to prepare for, respond to, and recover from hazards. This county mapping tool also provides projections of future risk for different socioeconomic variables using the high greenhouse gas emission scenario several decades into the future. These variables include projected changes in energy expenditures, agricultural production, coastal damage costs from storms, changes in outdoor heat stress and mortality, and the total direct damages as a percentage of a county's gross domestic product. From the base map, click on any county, and the hazard risk, vulnerability, and future risk metrics for that county will show up in a summary table. In this example, we are looking at Miami-Dade County in Florida. With this table, you can see the county's historic and future risk for 7 weather and climate disasters. You can also compare it to the rest of Florida, as well as the United States as a whole. This county mapping tool is an integration and expansion of FEMA's National Risk Index and is now a feature of the billion-dollar disasters available from NOAA NCEI.